come with me to Auckland Armageddon. So what I do is I'm a keycap artist and I like to make keycaps out of polymer clay. And yeah, so this is Armageddon Auckland and it's my first time traveling. So I didn't really know what to expect, but it ended up turning really well, and there's my partner who's helping me. And yeah, so this is my table. It's got my new mousepad designs, and then I've got my keychains, charms, magnets, and prints. And then you'll see my keycaps. Yeah, these are all my keycaps. I have lots of designs, but they're mostly gone now to their new homes, so that's pretty good news. Um, And yeah, so that is Armageddon pre-set up, and there was a lot of people, and it was really great meeting new faces and talking to fellow artists. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys at the next event, whenever that will be.